Stop spending plenty money purchasing expensive relaxers. Instead, follow this recipe and learn how to produce your own relaxer at home. This recipe is very easy. Just follow what I'm doing. You will see you can produce your own relaxers and even start up a relaxer business. You can just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. Everything I'm be doing in this video is very easy. If you can follow my tutorials, my step-by-step videos, you will see yourself becoming a pro in relaxer production. You know, relaxers right now are very expensive, but you can literally produce your own at home using this simple recipe. Also follow my pages so that you can be updated by my new videos, because I do a lot of skincare productions and household cleaning agents productions. If you want to become a pro in any of these skills, follow me, follow my pages. I'm on YouTube, I'm on TikTok, and this is my Facebook page. You can follow me on YouTube, Fame Ebong TV. You can follow me on TikTok, The Famous Guy. Facebook page is Fame Ebong. Just follow me on these pages to become a pro in skincare formulation. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Goodbye.